Most people type one thing into an AI, skim the answer, think,
Huh?
not great, and close the tab. Here's the secret the people getting amazing results already know. That first answer was never meant to be the final one. The tool isn't the limit. How you use it is. Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me, which today basically makes me an inside source. And that red-capped character who keeps popping up, that's Sam. That's you and me, figuring this out together. In the next few minutes, 4 simple habits that pull dramatically more out of any AI, the one you use today, and whatever replaces it next year. No new tool to download, no magic words to memorize, just a better way to use the one you've already got. Quick picture. Most people treat AI like a vending machine. Walk up, press one button, take whatever drops out. Don't like it? Smack the side, walk off. Tell everyone the machine's broken. But AI isn't a vending machine. It's much more like that well-read friend we keep coming back to. And you'd never ask a knowledgeable friend one question and then just leave. You'd talk it through, go back and forth. That back and forth is where all the good stuff lives. So here are the 4 habits that turn one-button users into people who actually get what they want. Habit 1. Treat the first answer as a draft, not the answer. This is the big one, the single habit that changes everything. When the AI hands you something, you don't take it or leave it. You shape it. Make that shorter, warmer, too formal, loosen it up. You missed the bit about the refund. Give me 3 versions and I'll pick. Each time it adjusts. And here's what most people never discover. The answer you actually want is usually the 3rd or 4th reply, not the first. It costs you nothing. No new skill, no magic words. You just keep talking until it's right, the way you would with a real person who's trying to help. The folks who think AI is mediocre? Habit 2. Feed it your real stuff. AI guessing in the dark gives you generic beige answers. AI with your actual material gives you something genuinely useful. So stop describing your situation. Show it. Writing a reply? Paste in the actual email you got. Summarizing notes? Paste the actual notes. Want it to sound like you? Give it a couple of things you've genuinely written. We touch this in Prompting 101. Give it context. This is that idea turned all the way up. Don't tell it about your document. Paste the document in. Think of it like asking a friend for advice. What should I write back? Gets a shrug. Here's the email, and here's roughly what I want to say, gets a real answer. The more real detail you hand over, the less it has to invent. And inventing is exactly where AI gets into trouble. Habit 3 is my favorite, because almost nobody does it. Let the AI interview you. Normally, you ask, it guesses what you meant. You get something half right. So flip it. Add one line. Before you answer, ask me any questions you need. Suddenly, it stops guessing and starts gathering. Who's this for? How long should it be? Formal or casual? You answer, and then it writes with all the information it was missing. Try it on the big stuff. A tricky email, planning a trip, a hard decision. That one little sentence often doubles how good the answer is. And it works on every tool because it isn't a feature. It's just a smarter way to start the conversation. No settings, no menus. One sentence. You're not working harder. You're letting it ask the questions a good assistant would have asked anyway. Habit 4. Stay the boss. These tools are confident, sometimes a little too confident. So you stay in charge 2 ways. First, when it gets something wrong, just tell it. No, the deadline's Friday. That's not what I meant. It doesn't get offended. It fixes it. You're the editor. It's the assistant. We said it back in the emails episode, and it still holds. You always have the final say. And second, the serious one. A confident, fluent answer is not the same as a correct one. We covered this in the hallucinations episode. AI can state something completely wrong in a beautifully written sentence. So, whatever actually matters, names, numbers, dates, facts, advice you're about to act on, check it. Not everything, just the things that would hurt to get wrong. Do that, and you get all the speed with none of the nasty surprises. So, 4 habits. Treat the first answer as a draft and keep shaping it. Feed it your real stuff. Let it interview you. And stay the boss. Correct it and check what matters. Notice none of that depended on which AI you use. That's the whole point. The tool you've already got is rarely the limit. How you work with it is. I've put all 4 on a free 1-page cheat sheet. Link in the description. Save it to your phone, and next time an AI hands you a so-so answer, you'll know exactly what to do next. If even one of these makes your next AI answer better, do me a favor. Pass it to someone who's still out there smacking the vending machine. And tell me in the comments, which habit are you trying first? My money's on letting it interview you. It surprises everyone. Hit subscribe for more of this, and I'll see you in the next one.